Barcelona House is an impressive example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates luxury and functionality. The house is located in the hills just outside Barcelona and offers stunning views of the Mediterranean coastline on one side and pine forests at the rear. Created by Ström architects in collaboration with Vitraxa, a Swiss company renowned for its innovative window solutions, this residence captures the essence of modern living. It features Vitraxa sliding windows with invisible frames, each an impressive 3.30 meters tall. Local building area restrictions required the design of a two-story residence to meet the residents' needs. The site's slope in 3 directions allowed for a staggered construction. The upper floor was positioned at the top of the hill, creating the impression of a single-story house, while the lower floor is partially embedded into the hillside. The lower floor includes a spacious garage, gym, 2 suites, and auxiliary spaces. The main living spaces with an open concept layout, the master suite, and a generous terrace were placed on the upper level, offering a sense of being on top of the world. The glazed corner of the living room is supported by a discrete concrete column, while the rest of the floor remains free of visible structural elements, emphasizing the openness of the layout and the expansive views. The spectacular view was one of the main drivers of the design. An L-shaped infinity pool wraps around 2 sides of the living room, allowing the house to blend harmoniously with the backdrop of the Mediterranean Sea. The house is finished with robust materials, such as concrete, local stone, and oak cladding. These elements lend a sense of permanence and natural ruggedness, balanced with the lightweight soaring planes of the roof and the delicate interior detailing. Internally, micro-cement flooring, in-situ concrete wall panels, and oak ceilings and joinery add softness, texture, and warmth, contrasting with the coolness of the concrete. The house avoids excessive ornamental detailing, celebrating the natural and intrinsic beauty of its materials. The forms and volumes of the structure are simple and legible, imparting humility to the project, which prioritizes the views and materials over a flashy or ego-driven design.